Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate your accounting workflows by connecting Xero with thousands of other apps, saving you time on repetitive tasks, and keeping your financial data synchronized across platforms. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Xero.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct Xero organization if you manage multiple accounts, as the integration will apply to whichever organization you're currently accessing. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a 9-dot icon, which is your gateway to Xero's additional features and tools. Click on this icon and an expanded window will appear with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Open Xero App Store. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can seamlessly integrate with your Xero account. You'll now be directed to the app integration page. This page is essentially a marketplace that houses all the usable apps readily available for integration with Xero. Take a moment to scroll down and explore the various options and useful apps available. However, for our purposes today, locate the search bar positioned at the top part of your screen. Type in Zapier to quickly find what we're looking for. From the search results, you'll need to click on the option labeled Zapier. You'll recognize it by its description, which says Other, Workflow Builder. This distinguishes it from other apps that might have similar names or functions. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to Zapier's overview page within the Xero App Store. This page contains valuable information about what the integration can do for you. Scroll down and take the time to read through all the benefits and key features of this app integration. Understanding these capabilities will help you make the most of the connection between Xero and Zapier, and you'll get a sense of which workflows you might want to automate first. Once you've reviewed the information and decided to proceed, click on the Get This App button located at the top part of the page. This will initiate the integration process. To move forward, you'll need to either sign up for a new Zapier account or continue with your existing Google account. Choose whichever option applies to your situation. If you're new to Zapier, signing up is straightforward and only takes a moment. After signing in, the final step is to authorize all the connection and data requests. This authorization is crucial for smooth data synchronization between Xero and Zapier. You'll be presented with permission requests that allow Zapier to access specific information from your Xero account. Review these carefully and approve them to complete the integration. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Xero with Zapier, and you're now ready to start automating your accounting workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.